All right, we finally got this thing washed up. We're gonna get in the sander. I borrowed this vacuum sander from work, and so we don't have as much dust around our little garage. We'll get it sanded up and see how bad the damage is in here. So here we go. Yeah, so with this vacuum, I'm trying to get the little holes lined up. That way we suck as much stuff in it as possible. Soft. We found our weak points, and this is going to require a grinder.
Oh boy.
Yeah, she's soggy waffles. Yeah, it's full of crap and oil and junk down in here. Look at that. There's the original part of the boat right there. See that?
Oh, that feels hard, huh?
Look, that's actually original gel coat.
There it is. We're just gonna get this soggy layer out.
Yep. This is what happens if you don't prep your surface good enough. It's the balsa's just soaked in oil and nastiness. This is why you take your fiberglass and you wrap it up over the stringer so it has a saddle. This is done seeped into this. But luckily, yeah, there's the balsa. Yep. So the balsa's rotten and everything's rotten. This went from a quick, easy project to a, oh, we got shit to do now. You can smell it. It smells like fuel.
Oh, yep.
It smells like fuel and oil. Just seeped in there. And it comes all the way up to here. This point right here.
Let's see.
This is our good spot.
Line right there, yeah.
This is where it starts to get good and starts to go bad again. And you can follow it all the way down. So we got a lot of work to do now. Yeah, but luckily, I still think we're good on the stringers here.
Yeah, they're still really solid.
Yeah, they're still solid. So it's not underneath the stringers. So thank God for that. But
all the inertia runs to that side when you turn.
yeah, that's
all
probably
the
why.
fluids are being slammed that way, right?
Yeah. So far that side looks good. I'm just saying, so far that side looks good. So we got a lot done on this thing, got sanded down. I don't want to bore you with all the sanding. So we're gonna, you know, I got some stuff I got to cut out, and so when we're ready for glass work, we'll come back and bring you guys along for this joyride here we got. So keep the shiny side up, and those who love you ride with you. We'll see you on the next one.